Hey guys, this is Throttle PHI, and for today's video, na-invite tayo to participate in the opening of Home Along in Santa Maria, Bulacan. Sama ang premium and competitive na safety gear, ang Gille helmets. Madami din tayong kasamang mga motovloggers and you'll get the chance to meet them later. So meet up muna kami and quick breakfast bago pumunta sa Home Along Santa Maria. Let's go!
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know.
Ito na nga guys, after driving for a while, we finally arrived sa Home Along Santa Maria, Bulacan. It was a gloomy day, so perfect day din para mag-ride. Super excited na din ng group na i-present ang Gille helmets.
I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own.
What is up, family friends? Throttle PHI here. So, nandito na tayo sa Home Along Santa Maria, Bulacan. Paparticipate tayo sa opening ng Gille dito sa branch ng Home Along. Meron na silang affiliation, and as of now, you know, you can go here and purchase or get your Gille helmets. Kaya samahan nyo ako today and let's check and see kung ano yung program na meron tayo. Tara, let's go!
So gusto ko lang i-highlight yung Home Along. To give you an idea, para siyang department store. Lahat ng needs mo nandito na. Entertainment equipments like speakers, high-end and modern flat-screen TVs, home appliances kasama ang washing machine, plasticwares and kitchenwares, bedroom equipment, gas stoves and fridge, and kasama na din ang techie body kung saan nag-o-offer sila ng top-of-the-line electronic and gadgets. Ang pinakamalupit pa dyan, they offer flexible payment terms through home credit and cash-alo. So ano pang inaantay nyo? Tara na sa Home Along. Murang gamit bahay, right beside your bahay. Galing ko mag-endorse, no? Home Along, baka naman. So, focus na tayo sa purpose why we are here. And that is to showcase what Gille helmet can offer. By the way, kasama natin dito ang ating mga kapatid na singa Rod TV, T/G, Friday Moto, Moto Rapid, X Moto P, and Boss TLPH. And ang inyong lingkod na si Throttle PHI. Make sure to follow them guys sa mga channel nila. So konting kaalaman and brief background. Alam nyo ba na si Gille helmet ay design sa Italy? Kung saan sagana sa napakayamang kultura sa pagmomotor. Kaya naman, you can make sure na it will deliver high quality protection, new era of comfort, and a handful of design to tailor fit your style. Siniguro din nila they passed international standards and patuloy ang research and development to continuously improve and deliver a better riding experience.
Hey guys, what's up? So ito, ongoing yung pag-opening namin ng Gille helmet dito sa Home Along Santa Maria, Bulacan. So, program is ongoing. Todo support yung mga fellow motovloggers natin. Shoutout sa inyo. Ito yung hub ng Gille helmets. It's a small booth pero ang daming options. Sobrang daming style na pwedeng pagpilian para to tailor fit, no? Kung ano yung trip mo sa buhay. Kung gusto mo ng medyo makulay, maganda yung mga design, ito. Meron tayong very basic colors lang rin. We got matte colors, merong shiny or nag-glitter. And what's good about this is hindi siya ganun kamahal eh. And kung namamahalan man kayo, meron tayong payment options. So for as low as 370, pwede kang bumili ng helmet. And then ima-monthly mo na lang na for 3 months, 1,430. And for example, itong price na to, nasa 3.7 siya. So, ganun yung mga price range niya, no? Nasa 3.5, 3.7. That's the price ng ino-offer ng Gille helmet. Very competitive siya, no? And yun nga, may home credit tayo, meron tayong cash alo, for flexible payment terms. malaking bagay yun, no? Especially kung on a day-to-day basis, you make ends meet. Kung gusto mo ng stylish, high quality, magandang standard, and super comfortable helmet, ito, try nyo guys, Gille. You won't go wrong with this one. Hopefully, ako, magkaroon rin ako ng Gille helmet soon. Pinapangarap ko na rin siya actually right now. And isa siyang eye-opening experience sa akin to be part of this. Kasi kung hindi ako nasama dito, hindi ko rin malalaman yung Gille helmet. So make sure that you check it. Gusto naming i-recommend to guys hindi lang para sa simpleng rider. Tulad na sabi ko kanina, kung nagtatrabaho ka, naglalala-move ka, nagde-deliver ka, pwede sa'yo to. Especially kung enduro rider ka. Yung mga endurance races, I think ang laking tulong nito kasi ang ganda ng lens, maganda yung airflow, maganda yung ventilation, magaan, hindi masakit sa leeg, hindi nakakangalay, as in, yun lang, yun. Di ba yun naman yung gusto natin, di ba, pagka may helmet tayo, we're comfortable tayo. So, yun, please make sure to check it guys. All-in-one na siya talaga.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Oh guys, so akala nyo konti lang yung Gille helmet nila dito. Sobrang dami pang stock. Hindi kayo mauubusan. Make sure to visit para ma-check nyo kung gaano kadami and gaano kaganda yung Gille helmet. Huwag nyo kalimutan i-check yung Gille Hub. If you're a motorcycle rider, if you're a motorcycle enthusiast, if you want to protect yourself, ito, available yung Gille helmet sa very affordable price and it will give you that protection that you need para sa mas magandang riding experience. Yun guys, tapos na kami dito sa Home Alone, Santa Maria, Bulacan. So, pack up na kami, going home. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng staff at bumubuo ng Home Alone. Si Boss Eric, thank you so much for the opportunity. Sana next time makasama pa tayo para ma-experience natin kung gaano kasaya at ma-share natin kung gaano kaganda yung product ng Gille helmet. So, yep, hanggang dito na lang. Throttle PHI. Always stay safe. Peace out. Thank you very much. See you on the next upload. Peace out.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working